everyone, Sparkle Sprinkler here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, y'all welcome back. Excuse me. These are the paintings that spurred on this big Amazon buy that I did. Someone very near and dear to me called me and said, I've been on Amazon. I found these about 2 months ago now, I guess. It was whenever these began. Maybe 3 months at this point. I don't know, y'all. It's all running together. But it's been a while. She said, have you seen these? I said, I have not, but I need them in my life. And so I ended up with a boo-koodles of these and of all the other stuff that you've seen. All the Easter stuff, all the things. So I know it's been at least a month and a half, 2 months since I've seen these. I don't have the dates written down here that I bought these, but I had to have them. So I got them, and I got many more than what she showed me. They have a listing of several different ones under. So it's one product number for several different things. Let me see if any of these were all the same product numbers. No, these are different product numbers. But there are many different styles under this product number, so be sure that you choose the one that you want. Okay, this one was $6.99. Y'all, these are 30 by 60, and I paid $6.99 for it. Yeah, she shops Amazon a lot. I don't. This is how they come, and you're noticing right off the bat, your toolkit's different. It doesn't have the little funnel tray. It's a round, true boat, if you will. Okay. And then you have your diamonds. And I see some that I've seen before, but not in quite a while. Y'all, they don't skimp on these diamonds to be this cheap. This is amazing. Look at this baby. 60 this way, 30 this way. Okay. Let me see if I can get this smoothed out for us a little better. Try to get some of that crease out of there. Now maybe I can roll it back on itself. I got the cover sheet flat. Try to take some of that. Yeah, that helped. I got, as I said, boo-koodles of these, y'all. Love, love, love them. 6, 7, 8, 9 colors in this. $6.99. And like I said, they have several different ones under this one listing, so be sure. Or I don't know about this one, but the majority of these, I'll just say that, because some of them I think were just by themselves, but the majority of them had different ones under for different prices as well. Okay, we got a thick, let me zoom down so we can see these. We've got a thick bag of lemon. Or should I say yellow, because this looks more like lemon. That's a light yellow. Lemon. That's pink. That is green. That is a darker than this. This is darker than this. That's a gray, and I can't tell. It's either going to be medium or dark. Without another one, I can't tell. Look at the flowers they sent us. Let's see where these will go. Oh, let's go ahead and look at these. These are the AB marquees and gold beads. These blue flowers are going to be through here, right in the center. There. It's the center of your flowers. There's some down here, but it's the center of the flowers. There are a good bit of them in here, y'all. These do not come with a bag. They just sent them kind of laying inside this for like this. Okay. Then this one was $6.99. Same type toolkit, rounded on both ends. If y'all can tell, I love cat diamond paintings. And you're seeing a lot of cats because my cat binder was so empty. But these, I just thought I had to have them. These won't go on a binder. These will hang over my rod. Because I don't have a 60 centimeter binder. So they'll hang. Okay, now let me fold this one back on itself. Try to get that crease out. Look how pretty that is. 5, 6, 7, 8 colors in this one. A little bit more, you know, primary-ish color on these brighter colors than the other one is more pastel. A thick bag of clear, a thick bag of yellow, green, blue, pink, purple, and they are not AB coated, it's marquise. Red rounds a little bit bigger than your standard red, and then green marquise. And I do believe they've got a light AB coating. Yeah, it is AB. It's a marquise and a green. Look how pretty that is, y'all. I love these. Yeah, it's going to be a little more different, you know, storing them, because usually my special shapes go into my binders. But it's worth it for me. I love these things. Look how pretty that is. Okay, $6.99 on this one. And then the last one was $9.99. And it is also a 30 by 60. This one is portrait, not landscape. So we're going to have to kind of roll it down the camera instead of sideways. That way you can see it upright. Now, this one's not wanting to put it out as easy as the others did. Now let me roll it back. Okay, it is a cat and a swing. Look how sweet that is, y'all. You will diamond paint the entire swing rope. And another one watching on. This one has 10 colors in it. We'll turn it sideways for now. Dark yellow. 2 bags of them. This is a very medium or dark gray. I think it's going to be medium. That is an orangey yellow. This is darker than this one. Clear. Standard black. Pink. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at this. I love this color. I hope this camera picks it up like it should. It's not. It is darker and richer than what this camera is showing. Pink marquise, and you got a pretty thick bag of them. More pink marquise, so you get two. Yes, they're both same size, 2 bags, and then the pink teardrops. Okay, let's get a closer look at these, y'all. Well, that's too much. There. Look how pretty this is. Look at that sweet baby in that swing. Y'all, I just love the special shape diamond paintings. Absolutely love them. They're just my jam. Okay, $9.99 on this one. A little bit more than the others, but worth it. I think it's got more colors, and I think it's got more diamonds in it too. Since these diamonds are not in their own little sleeve, we'll go ahead and put these back in the plastic bag as we look over them. So that way all the diamonds are staying with the diamond painting. Okay, then we have this one. $6.99 on it. That one's going to have to zoom in a little more. Look how pretty. It's not focused like I would like. There we go. Look how pretty that is, y'all. Look at that baby resting on those books. Typical cat. So you do all of the tile. Sort of like you were doing the grout on the tile. How pretty. Beautiful. $6.99 on this one. And this last one's the one that had those pretty flowers. And the gold beads. How pretty is that? These are a little bit harder to handle to show y'all, but worth it. Okay, many more of these to come, y'all. This is what started it all with the Amazon haul. I had to get all the Easter stuff out that I bought. So these are, like I said, I probably had them about 2 months. I don't know about Amazon. I don't know if they sell out and they bring them back or whatever, you know, but they should still be in stock for you. Don't shop Amazon a whole lot. But she found these and said, oh, you got to see this. And I said, thank you for sharing. Yes, I need those in my life. Alright, y'all, the product numbers are going to be in the description. Copy and paste it into Amazon, and it should bring these up. If you have any trouble at all, just let me know. And I'll give you a direct link to Amazon from my orders, okay? Alright, y'all, that's it. Take care, and I will see all of you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.